what should we do?
I have the perfect idea.
Hi guys, welcome back to 4Kids Daily Adventure.
And today we're going to do science experiments with candy. Acid in your stomach help digest your food. Acid on your teeth breaks down enamel and causes tooth decay. Acid in your lemonade makes it sour. Is there acid in our candy? That's the question for this experiment.
Let's get started.
To test for acid in our candy, get sour candy and you need warm water. You pour the warm water into 2 cups so we can see which candy
Has more acid.
you need. Your sour candy. Mine is a warhead.
Mine is a lemon head.
Put them into our hot water.
It's sticky.
Mine's really sticky. This is the lemon head in the water. Do you see that the color of the lemon head is coming out and making the water yellow? See what happens. The color is fading away from the lemon head. And if you look really closely, looks like the lemon head has tentacles. And it looks like strings, little tiny strings.
Now we're gonna put baking soda in.
Ready? Go.
Oh my gosh, it's fizzing on it.
Oh look, a giant chunk just flew off. That's so cool. And we just put the baking soda in with the lemon head, and now it's like yellow and all fizzy, and you can barely see the lemon head because it's white. The water looks murky. I'll mix it. Mine's so sticky. Mine doesn't go that fast. It does while we stir it. I think nothing changed. It's still blurry.
Mine's a ball. Wait, yours is so slow.
Results.
Lemon head versus warhead. Both
Acidic. Release carbon dioxide gas, so it makes it bubbly. Hopefully you like doing crazy science with candy. See you next time at 4Kids Daily Adventure.
make sure you give us
A
a
big thumbs up
and don't forget to subscribe.
subscribe. Bye! Thank you for watching our video about crazy kid science with candy.